Welcome to Srividya e-learning. This is Dr. Mamta Hegde. In this video, you will learn some theoretical aspects of statistical quality control. This video covers meaning, definition, characteristics, and objectives of statistical quality control. Before going to understand statistical quality control, first let us understand what is quality. Quality is nothing but a distinctive attribute or features possessed by someone or something. It means a special or different feature of someone or something from which one can be recognized easily among others is quality. Quality can be considered as the standard or something as measured against the other things of similar kind. Means perfection, speciality or distinctiveness can be observed, and qualitative one can be treated as a model to other similar things. Hence, quality can be understood as uniqueness, and it is nothing but reality of expectation. Now let us understand what is control. Control is a process where a person or thing used as a standard of comparison for checking the results. It means control is a system for measuring and checking or inspecting a phenomena. Control is determining the behavior or supervise the running of. Means control is supervision of activities or tasks that can be necessary to attain predetermined goal. After understanding the terms quality and control, now let us understand what is quality control. Systematic control of various factors that affect the quality of product. It means having control over the factors like man, machine, materials, methods, etc. to produce desired product is quality control. Now, the question may arise in your mind that why we need quality control? Because it may not be possible to produce desired quality output all the times. The degree of variation in product attributes then specified or required may severely impact on demand of the product. Hence, it is prime importance of every manufacturer to produce products as per the expectations. Hence, variation in the quality calls for quality control. There are mainly two types of causes behind variation in quality. First type is assignable causes. These causes are due to the changes in the quality of the products which can be assigned or attributed to any particular causes like defective materials or untrained employees, etc. Second type of causes are change causes. These causes take place as per chance or in a random fashion as a result of the cumulative effect of multiplicity of several minor causes which cannot be identified. These causes are inherent in every type of production. Means variation is random in nature. This type of variation cannot be completely eliminated unless there is a major change in equipment or material used in the process. Now, with the help of preliminary topics, what did we learn till now? We can understand what is statistical quality control. SQC is a means of establishing and achieving quality specification which requires use of tools and techniques of statistics. It means using statistical techniques and tools, SQC collects and analyzes data to assess and control product quality. Statistical and engineering methods that are used in measuring, monitoring, controlling and improving quality. In simple words, SQC is nothing but where manufacturer refers to the use of statistical techniques in controlling the quality of goods. Now, the question may arise in your mind that why we need quality control? Because it may not be possible to produce desired quality output all the times. The degree of variation. To better understand what is SQC, let us see some of the definitions. According to E.L. Grant, a kit of tools which may influence decisions to the functions of specification, production or inspection. It means SQC can be considered as a bunch of tools which can be used to improve functional decisions like deciding, executing and inspecting product specifications. Now, with the help of preliminary topics, what did we learn till now? We can understand what is statistical quality control. With the help of definitions, let us identify few characteristics of SQC. SQC assess the quality of goods. Means SQC is used to check quality of outputs against set standards. Since SQC checks outputs specifications against predetermined standards, it determines variation in quality of goods if any. Comparatively, census method of checking and inspection of outputs, sampling method which is used by SQC has greater advantage like cost saving and effectiveness. SQC inspects drawn samples quality regularly to have control on quality standards. SQC uses statistical techniques like mean chart, range chart, P chart, C chart, etc. Now let us list out important objectives, advantages or uses of SQC. Early detection of variation. The moment when a sample point falls outside the control limits, it is taken as a danger signal and necessary corrective measures can be taken. Reduction in cost. Since SQC uses sampling method to check the quality, only a fractional output is inspected. Hence, cost of inspection can be greatly reduced. Easy to apply. Once the SQC plan is established, it is easy to apply and use to check the quality. Great skill and intelligence is required to develop statistical quality method for quality control, not to carry or not to use. Time saving. Instead of census method, SQC uses sampling method to detect error. Hence, time required to check the quality of output can be saved. Avoids boredom. The inspection of each and every unit will reduce the efficiency of the quality of inspectors because of boredom. Under SQC, inspectors will check only few randomly selected items. Hence, it avoids boredom. Can be used in all the cases. SQC can be applied even where inspection needs destruction of items. Accurate prediction. With the help of SQC, specifications for a product can easily be predicted. Greater efficiency. It requires lesser time and effort as compared to 100% inspection. Hence, the efficiency increases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Srividya e-Learning for more videos.